video, we're gonna take down this tree here that I have in my way. This little 4 trees here. But I'm not even gonna cut them. I'm gonna try to pull them out with root and everything. So let me try to push it over and see how they want to go. I'm going slowly because I don't want to crack them in half. I want to de-root them with the root ball and all. And try to do it from the bottom here now so I don't break them. If I give it all the power here on the skid, it'll just snap it. And it's not what I'm trying to do. It's already moving at the bottom. I don't know if you can see here on the bottom of the video the roots pushing up. And if it wasn't so smushy on the other side and wet, I would push from the other side and it would have already broken loose. But I'm not gonna do that because I'm gonna end up getting stuck over there. So it has to be done by this side only. What I could do is tie a chain and pull them. Try to pull them over a little bit to loosen it up from the other side. Let's see if it doesn't snap the tree here. That's the danger of pulling high, but holy crap. I completely forgot to hook up the attachment. I could have snapped the freaking hose there. It's a miracle it didn't snap. That was my fault. I didn't lock it. Wow. I can't even believe I got that on camera. And that none of the hydraulic lines went right there. Trying to hook it up, but I'm at an angle, which is making it difficult to grab. There it goes. Is it in right or not? Close that. Gotta make sure that it's in right. Let me close it now. Wow, I can't believe I forgot that. What a fail. What a miracle that hydraulic line didn't go. push it a little bit that way now. Problem is, I'm not dealing with one root ball either. I'm dealing with 4 right there. And I'm barely even moving the ones in the back. Going through this trouble because I'm trying not to snap the tree to take it all in one piece. The other option I could have done was come with the mini excavator and just dug around it. Seems pretty loose right now. Idle. I'm accelerating now a little bit more. It's pretty loose right now. It's getting there. Look at the tracks. I don't know if you can tell, but right here on the right, it's already digging in. Try to give it too much. The right track is already digging in there. This is becoming more difficult because of the loose area that I'm in. I don't have good traction. So my tracks are slipping. Problem is, if I go higher, I have more leverage, but also the bigger chance of snapping it. Try to see if I can take one off at a time. I'm going to try to push this little one alone. Damn. It just bends, but didn't go. Let's try it from the bottom. trooper. Damn, I'm gonna have to just let it break and grab it from wherever I can grab it because sinking in so much. Damn it. Trying to see if I can get this chain off without me stepping out of here. Gotta step out. And I'm sinking a lot. There's these tracks. Crazy. Out. I'm about to get stuck in here soon. My tracks are so deep. You can't tell, but between here where I'm bottoming out to there, it's about a foot. You see on the side there how tall, and I'm gonna get stuck. See if I can even this out a little bit with this grapple. I'm gonna have to come back to this tree with the mini excavator to deal with it not coming out. Because it is not cooperating with this equipment. So I'm just trying to flatten it out a little bit here. So when I come with the mini, this is a little bit nicer terrain here. Get this tree out of here. Well, I'm all the way in here already. So I can cut it up into logs for firewood. Set it to the side because I see another one back there that I gotta get out. Get rid of this stick here on the top that's gonna stretch my windshield or something. Let's see how I can snap it here. At least push it down. Get it out of my way there. Oh, there it goes. The part broke. Let's see how I can get this piece out of there. Can I grab it? This is a big piece. And can I get it somehow out from behind these trees? Then it's hitting back there now to make this turn. Gotta see how I can manipulate this. Well, cleared this one here now. Got it. Just make that turn. Yep. History. It's history. You made it. Now there's another small one back there. See if I'll be able to get to it or not. This one out of the way. It's kind of big. It's kind of in the way here. Where's the other one? See if I can get to that one back there again. That other one. It's like two pieces. Hit it next to where this one was at. So muddy and dangerous to get in here. Let me even this out a little bit. Two pieces are in here, but I don't think I can get through there that good. I wonder if I can make it through this spot here without getting stuck. So I'm gonna have to pull those out with the Mini out of there. I'm gonna get this other one here that I have put here off to the side. And I'll come back with the Mini for the other one. Damn, where is it? It's hiding in this whole grass area here. Before I take this up, move some of this dirt and sticks, branches out of the way, which should be easier with the grab them than with the bucket because of the branches. So I could get the branches out of the way. If there's any branches in here, I could put them with the grapple. I thought there'd be some branches. I see actually so far only one. It was only that one branch there. Let's go ahead and just get it out, and that's it. We'll leave the rest here and come back with a bucket for this dirt. chicken in there. That chicken hasn't died too long ago. How in the world did that happen? I'm gonna dump it over there and see what the heck. Where did this chicken come from? There's no chickens here. Gotta look at that later. That's weird. That is the bigger branch that I knew that I had seen in here, but I guess that is the extent of the branch, the big branch at least. So let's get it out and take it with us. The other one we threw right here and take it all together. Shake it out to get some of this dirt. Especially out of this one here. We throw it from high so that some of this dirt can fall off. Park right now and get the Mini to be able to dig out those forks trees that are bothering me and pull out the other pieces that are back there hidden. Alright, I'm gonna go out for now. We'll be right back. Okay, I'm back to with the Mini to the spot. I gotta get those two logs out of back there. The ones that I couldn't reach with skid steer. Oh, that's rotten. That will just broke apart, completely rotten. But I'm still gonna pull it out of there. Now the other one, let's see how it is. Same thing, all right. But it's good because to start the fire, it'll work. It'll be a good fire starter. Let me pull up a little bit more. Drop it and see. So yeah, let me just get these 3 little pieces here, and these will be good fire starters right there, because they're really dry rotted. That one doesn't want to fall. I need to make an extension to this thumb. It's too short for this machine, for this bucket. And I can't grab good. That's going to be my next project for this machine. And that's making the thumb like about another 6 inches longer. Because I can't grab all the way to the end with it. Get these pieces out of my way here, and then go down and get those trees I gotta put out of the way. There he goes. Fell. Alright, I'm gonna put it right here for now, on the side. See what I mean? That I can't catch, it doesn't reach. So I have to be curled in pretty much like more than halfway so that the thumb can work. And then when you have a bunch of things, it just doesn't work like that. Alright. Let's go finish what we started with the skid steer and pull these 4 small trees that are in my way. Dig it out. Matter of fact, let me put some of that right here. I'm gonna try this side out. Here is that I'm removing all these roofs. And softening out this whole area here. So I'll be able to push over to the other side now. easy when you have the right equipment. That's just taking off from one side. I haven't even gone around the other 4 sides. Basically, I'm starting right now here, this other side, but I can still do the back and the left. Tell you that I can pull it off. Gotta get closer to it to have more reach. And I should be able to push it off. See? It's out. It's out. But not have to pull so much. Let me do a little bit more here on this corner. I am taking this machine to its limit by pulling from far away like this. And that root ball is heavy. At this point, I'm rotating the tree because I don't want to have to go behind it. There it goes. Now, what I'm going to try to do is remove as much dirt as I can from under it. Try to give it a rotation towards me here now. Let me back up so. Oh, and it fell back. Let me see if I can grab it back here and get it out of that hole. Yeah. It so I can get some of this other dirt out of this side and make it lighter. Right here. Back up and try to get some more right from this corner. Whoa, I went forward here. I should have put my blade down. drag it back out of here a little bit. Movement is realistically to try to get also while I'm at it a bunch of the dirt to fall off, mud in this case. See if I can put it there like that. All that mud makes it slip out in. Of course, that my thumb doesn't reach right. I'm just pulling it out some right now, but gonna be eventually now. I guess I'll pick it up with the skid steer. So I could already do that, but see if I can just grab this branch, not the chain. No, it's just gonna take everything apart. And I'd rather grab everything in one shot. So I think I'm gonna just come back with the skid steer. Let's see if I can. If I can just push it to the other side now. Try to push it to the other side. That way I can get through and even this out a little bit before I get out of this spot, because I left a big mess back there, as you can see. Over here a little bit and even it out. a piece of the root ball here. There you go. So I can even this out. Out a little bit here. Even though it's not the right time to do it because it's all muddy. Not the right time. What I'm doing here that cannot be really seen on the camera unless I go down. There we go. With the blade, I'm kind of evening it out a little bit, as much as I can due to the fact that it's all muddy. Now back dragging. Back blade. That is This is super muddy right now here. Let me bring some of it back with me. Yeah, there's not much more I can do over here until this dries up some. Take this little stick with me here. And these. See what I mean? I can't reach it. I'm better off putting these by hand up there. Be right back.